Welcome to Vicrez Vinyl. Today we're unboxing a special order for one of our customers, featuring our sleek and dynamic vinyl wrap design. Our packaging ensures that your order arrives safely and in perfect condition. We take great care in packing our products to protect them from any damage during transit. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. And here it is, our stunning vinyl wrap, ready to transform any vehicle into a showstopper. Just look at that sleek blue and black design. This wrap features a bold combination of deep blue and jet black, creating a striking contrast that adds a touch of elegance and aggression to any car. The deep blue gives a vibrant, energetic feel, while the jet black adds a sense of power and sophistication. The design is perfect for those who want to make a powerful statement on the road. Now, let's talk about Vicrez 3D. With Vicrez 3D, you can see exactly how this vinyl wrap will look on your specific vehicle model before you even place your order. Our advanced 3D visualization tool allows you to customize and preview wraps, rims, and other accessories in real time, ensuring you get the perfect look every time. You can experiment with different colors and designs, giving you complete control over your vehicle's appearance. Whether you're looking to make a bold statement or simply want to give your car a fresh, unique look, our vinyl wraps are the perfect choice. They offer an affordable and reversible way to change your car's appearance without the commitment of a permanent paint job. Thank you for choosing Vicrez Vinyl. We can't wait to see how you transform your vehicle with this amazing design. Visit vicrez.com to explore our full range of vinyl wraps and elevate your vehicle customization game. Don't forget to check out our Vicrez 3D tool to visualize your dream car makeover before you buy. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos and customer showcases. See you next time.